Attention is the new currency, and static posts alone are no longer enough. Businesses struggle daily to get views, engagement, and customers online. But motion graphics change everything. Movement naturally grabs human attention faster than ordinary images. Motion graphics help businesses explain products faster, look more professional, increase engagement, and boost sales. In 2026, brands using video and motion content will dominate social media while others struggle for attention. If you want your business to stand out online, motion graphics is no longer optional. It's essential. Need motion graphics for your brand? Contact Derah Anthony, the motion designer.